Amy Slayton has once again captured the attention of her fans and followers by sharing an exciting new diet update following the announcement of her remarkable current weight. The 1000 lb Sisters star has been one of the most talked about reality TV personalities of recent years, and her journey toward health, motherhood, and independence continues to inspire countless viewers. Fans of the hit TLC show have watched Amy struggle, succeed, and face setbacks over the years, but her latest milestone has everyone buzzing about what she has achieved and what comes next. Amy Slayton's weight loss journey has been anything but easy. When she first appeared on the show alongside her sister Tammy, Amy weighed over 400 pounds and was dealing with numerous health struggles. Her dreams of starting a family with then-husband Michael Halterman were on the line, and her doctor RS made it clear that she needed to undergo a major lifestyle change if she wanted to be healthy enough for pregnancy. The early seasons of the show documented her commitment to pursuing gastric bypass surgery, shedding excess weight, and adopting better eating habits. Fans who have followed her from the beginning remember the tears, the victories, and the setbacks that defined her path. Now, after years of ups and downs, Amy has revealed that she has reached a new milestone weight that has left fans stunned. Though she has not disclosed the exact number publicly, insiders close to her journey say she is now healthier than ever and has continued to slim down even after welcoming her two young sons, Gage and Glenn. For a reality star whose weight was once her greatest obstacle, being able to say she has reached her lowest weight in years is nothing short of remarkable. Her transformation has not only been physical but emotional and mental as well. The new diet update Amy shared is one of the biggest reasons for her ongoing success. Unlike in the past when she admitted to struggling with portion sizes, sugary snacks, and emotional eating, Amy has embraced a more structured and mindful approach to food. She has been vocal about adopting a diet that focuses on protein, vegetables, and balanced carbs rather than crash diets or quick fixes. Sources close to her reveal that Amy has also cut back significantly on processed foods and late-night eating, instead focusing on meal prep and family-friendly healthy meals that her kids can enjoy too. Fans have noted that she often shares glimpses of her cooking on social media, where she posts healthier recipes and small changes she has made to her favorite comfort foods. Amy has also credited her two sons as her biggest motivation. After welcoming Gage in 2020 and Glenn in 2022, she realized that maintaining her health was no longer just about her, it was about being there for her children. In interviews, she has admitted that the thought of not being around to see them grow up was one of her greatest fears. Now, every time she updates fans about her progress, she emphasizes that she is working to become the best mom she can be. The boys are now an integral part of her routine, often joining her on walks and encouraging her to keep moving forward. Fans are particularly inspired by how Amy has handled the challenges of single motherhood while staying focused on her health. Following her separation from Michael, she faced an emotional transition, but instead of falling back into unhealthy habits, she seems to have channeled her energy into bettering herself. Her new diet is not only about weight loss but about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. She has spoken about incorporating more water, cutting out soda, and relying less on fast food, a major struggle for her in the past. Another important part of Amy's update is her focus on accountability. She has admitted to still having cravings but has learned strategies to manage them without derailing her progress. Instead of indulging in full cheat days, she now allows herself small treats in moderation, a tactic that many dietitians recommend for long-term success. Amy has also leaned on her support system, which includes her sister Tammy, who is undergoing her own impressive weight loss transformation. The sisters have often drawn strength from one another, even when their relationship has been rocky, and now that both are committed to better health, their bond seems to be stronger than ever. The news of Amy's latest achievement has sparked a wave of supportive comments online. Social media fans have flooded her posts with messages of encouragement, saying how proud they are to see her thriving after years of struggle. Many viewers who are on their own weight loss journeys say that Amy's honesty about her setbacks makes her more relatable than many other celebrities. She has never tried to pretend that her journey was perfect, which makes her success feel even more authentic. Industry experts and health professionals who follow the show have also praised Amy's approach, noting that she seems to have finally found a sustainable rhythm. While some reality TV stars promote fad diets or extreme workout regimens, Amy's story is one of gradual change, family motivation, and realistic adjustments that ordinary people can relate to. Her diet update highlights the importance of balance, portion control, and building healthier habits instead of focusing solely on the scale. What makes this update especially powerful is how it reflects Amy's personal growth. She began her journey seeking weight loss surgery as a quick solution, but over the years she has developed the discipline and mindset needed to keep the weight off and improve her overall quality of life. The Amy that fans see today is confident, motivated, and more in control of her health than ever before. She is no longer just the comic relief or the emotional younger sister in Tammy's shadow, she has become a role model for resilience and determination. As Amy continues to share her diet journey with fans, many wonder what her long-term goals are. While she hasn't revealed a final target weight, she has made it clear that her biggest priority is maintaining her health for her children. This suggests that her journey is not just about hitting a number but about creating a life where she feels strong, capable, and present. Given her openness, fans can expect to see more updates in the future, whether through the show or her personal social media. The latest 1000 lb Sisters season has already hinted at big changes for Amy, and this diet revelation adds even more excitement about what's to come. With Tammy also thriving in her weight loss journey and the family dynamics evolving, the show remains one of TLC's most compelling reality series. For now, Amy's fans are simply thrilled to see her happy, healthy, and embracing the best version of herself. Amy Slayton's remarkable weight update is proof that no matter how many struggles a person has faced in the past, it is possible to reinvent yourself and push forward. From a young woman desperate to have a baby but held back by her health, to a mother of two who is healthier than ever, Amy's journey continues to inspire thousands around the world. Her diet update is not just news for her fans, it is a reminder that lasting change comes from small, consistent effort. TS fueled by love and determination. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.